morning, children. Today you will learn how to modify a table in Word. Okay. So many things you are going to learn. First option which you will use today in Word is using quick tables. Okay. For this I need to share the screen. So let me share the screen with you so that I can open Word and show you practically. Okay. Let me undo now. What all things are there? Let it. Now are you able to see the screen, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
It is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they are writing that click on table option. For that we need to click on insert. Okay. Insert, as I press insert button, I get table option. Now as I click table option here, you can see many options coming here. What I need is quick tables. As I click quick tables, I can select the data from here. Okay. Now I am selecting tabular list. So list is appearing here. Notebooks, magazine, notebooks, paper, pads, books, pens, etc. Okay. So these are the things. I have the option to either make it bigger, the list, or make it small also. Okay. It depends on you. Okay. So this is what lies in quick tables. Quick tables are the tables which are already present there within table option. To open table option, first you need to click on insert. Okay. Now next comes entering data in table. First we will again move to insert button. Then we'll select table. Okay. Whatever number of rows you want, you can select. And you can see the table coming here. This is needed. It is written there that this is needed. We require this, so we have opened it. Okay. Now we have further the option. Further more options are there. Either we can see. I have selected not 3 rows, or you can say I have selected few cells here. Okay. Now as I right click the mouse, you can see options here. Delete cells. If I'll click this, the cells will get deleted. If I'll select this, the cells will get merged. Merged means they will be merged into one cell. So let's see it practically what happens. Are you able to see? A big cell is appearing in the case of 5, 6 cells. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is how we modify a table. Okay. This is how we modify a table.
Ma'am, okay.
Now next comes inserting rows and columns. We have the option to insert rows and columns. Either you can move here, insert button, then tables. Then from here also we are selecting the rows and columns. Haven't we?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
First
ma'am.
let me remove this. Okay, otherwise
Yes, ma'am.
the khichdi will be prepared. So
Okay,
let me undo the things. Now we'll use blank page. Okay. Scroll. Whosoever did this, please make it, erase it. Whosoever did it. Now, again moving to insert. Okay. Now, whatever, as I told you from table option, you can either insert rows and columns. Okay. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
this also you can
Yes,
do.
ma'am.
Or you can bring the cursor here and then right click. You right click, na? Then you have the option to use bullets also, numbers also. This I have taught you from the toolbar also. But with the help of right click, left click, not left, right. Right click also you can select the bullets. So if I have selected the bullet, it is coming out. I need it inside. So if I need it inside, I need to select the column there. Then right click and then bullets. Whatever bullets I want, I should border and shading is also there. I can go for whatever option I want. Now see, you are not finding the bullet option here because within the table, within the rows and these you cannot use here. Got it? So
Okay,
the
ma'am.
different
Yes,
options are
ma'am.
coming. Okay, let's see what comes here. Now insert option is here also. Insert column to the left. If you will click here, see the column is inserted to the left. Okay, and first we need to select, and after that only we. Insert option. Na? Now insert column to right, insert rows above. Let's press this. Are you able to see the changes
Yes, ma'am.
happening? As we select the option,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
changes are there. Okay. Now is this clear to everyone, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can not only insert,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can delete also. If you want to delete this, so again we'll press right. Suppose whatever you want to do now, first you need to select. I'll be selecting only 2 cells. Okay. Then right click and then delete cells. As I press this
Cell.
and okay, the cells are deleted. Now you can see 2 cells missing.
Yes,
Are you able
ma'am.
to? The cells from this side
Yes,
are shifted here. Am I clear? Now again I'll
Yes,
select
ma'am.
this and then delete cells. And okay. See, cells are deleted. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to delete the
Yes.
column also, you can. This time though, I am teaching you how to delete a cell. Okay? Clear? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
bete? Huh. Now next is
Yes, ma'am.
formatting a table. For that, we will move to
Yes.
design view. Okay? From here, we can format the table. Table is already there. We have na table here. Okay? This is the table.
Yes, ma'am.
We select it
Yes,
and we will move here. Whatever design we select, your table will appear in that form. Okay? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Now border and shading. From here we can select the border. Okay, whatever border we want. And from
Border.
shading, whatever color we will select, the shading will become of that color. Got it?
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Now one more
Okay.
option
Yes,
is there.
ma'am.
We'll use insert button. Again press insert and then move to picture. If you want a picture to be inserted in the table, you will move here. Okay. I have kept one picture here, AA camel. I will select this. The name comes here. Okay. The name comes here and then insert button. Okay. So the picture is inserted here. Got it? Is this much clear, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, bete. Excuse me for 1 second.